Yeah. Hey guys, Matt here. Today I just received a package from Vietnam, it looks like, it says here. And I'm pretty sure it's another RC car. It should be a drift car, so let's have a look. Looks like they sticky taped the packaging to the delivery stuff. I bought this car off eBay for $65 and it claims to go up to 70 k's an hour, it says. So let's hope that's true, but this is a drift car. Arrived a bit damaged, but that shouldn't matter. Hopefully when we open it up it will be fine. But it looks pretty good so far. So this is a 1/10 scale drift car. So what we've got here when we open up the box, we have an antenna in here. We've got the car and we have a remote. And there must be, yep, there's stuff in the bottom as well. We've got, this could be a charger for the batteries, or battery. I don't know how many batteries I got with this. Then you got this 9-volt here. There's just a 9-volt battery. And we can unscrew the car with these. Hey. Oop. There's one battery. Okay. So we've got battery here. Then we have the remote, which I've got to get out somehow. Now this is a very crappy remote. Oh god. What are these for? These don't even do anything. Okay, well, and then we'll get out the antenna. Hey, this car looks to be styled like a Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 10 with its, I don't know, mock Mitsubishi logo. Let's give it a 360. Oh yeah. Very cool. Now let's take off the body. Oh. Well, we got some tires. It's normal tires. It doesn't seem to have any suspension, which is a bit of a shame. Shouldn't matter too much though, hopefully. What else? It is a 4-wheel drive battery compartment, and then in the bottom you also have another battery compartment. There we go. Okay, good. So we have 2 batteries in this, and you need 2 batteries to be able to go up to 70 k's an hour. 70 k's an hour, we'll see if it can actually reach that speed, while with 0 suspension and crappy tires and all that. But we'll see how it goes, we'll give it a go. These wheels look like they are not removable, like not replaceable. And I think we should give it a comparison with my $35 RC drift car, which I got from catch.com. So you can see they're same size, 1/10 scale. They're both 4-wheel drive, but when you take off the body on this one, you've got suspension in the back, which is pretty good. You've got removable wheels. I've already broken 2 of the back wheels, so I don't have those anymore. But this one just seems to be a lot more advanced than this one, but we'll see how it goes when we try and drift it. So the battery for the remote is already included. We've got the 9-volt, which goes inside the bottom here, just in there. So good job whichever company this is. And it looks like we got 2 of these 800 milliamp hour batteries. It's either 800 milliamp hours or it's 1800 milliamp hours, I don't know. got the charger, obviously. Need to charge the batteries, remote, and these tires, which should be able to be put on to the car, so we can get it up to that 70 k's an hour. If it'll actually grip with these things, they feel kind of loose, I guess. They'll be loose on the car. But yeah, so let's hook the car up with the batteries and see how it goes. Whoa, okay. So it's got light up LED lights just like the $35 one, which is a huge waste of power. So I'm going to turn on the remote. We're just going to use one battery to see what the speeds are like. There we go. Whoa, that is loud. Doesn't seem that bad. So I'm going to give this thing a charge now, and then I'll take it out a bit later and we'll see how it goes on the road. So I've got the car charged up and ready to go on its drift tyres, so now we're going to test it out. So to turn it on, we just flick the switch here, so that's the remote turned on, and then we've got the car here, and flip it over, and then the lights and all that will come on. And now let's test it out. So I've put my thong here now, and we're going to use that as something to do donuts around, sort of thing. And we'll see if it can actually be controlled enough to be able to do that. Oh, well, that ran out of charge quickly. The car's in pretty good shape still. So some problems with the drifting. It has no suspension, so it loses control really quickly. It's got no proportional steering or throttle, which means it's all or nothing when you apply the throttle. And it runs out of battery really quickly because it's all or nothing and you can't control it. So that's a bit of a downside, and especially a downside when having a drift car. Now we're going to try out the grippy tires, sort of grippy-ish tires, and see how they go, and we'll even test it to see if it gets anywhere near 70 k's an hour as advertised. So I'm going to take off the body and I'm going to attach my phone as a speedometer to check if it can actually get 70 k's an hour. Have the grippy tires on the car, the rubbery sort of ones, and these would hopefully allow us to get to some higher speeds. So we're going to try and get 70 k's an hour, and we'll measure it with the phone. Alright, this is impossible. This thing really needs suspension. And it already ran out of charge. So the car just ran out of charge, and we've got the phone underneath the body so we can check what its top speed was. And it looks like we got 12.9 k's an hour, which is nowhere near 70 k's an hour as it says on the ad.